and one I said that what? British. First time Gandhi impact. और उसके भी लोग that they have criticized highly how a person of a Governor General of India is meeting with the Vikhari. That is I said that they represented our Gandhi. आज उसी गांधी को लोग अपने शहरों में स्टैचू बनाकर पूछते हैं. जितना गांधी यहाँ पे नहीं रिगार्ड में मिलता है, गांधी इज मोर इन द रिगार्ड outside of India. I said that method, that is simply they are what? Petitioner. Another one is moderates and patriotism. ये वर्ड पहले मैंने समझाया था कि moderate and patriotism. Patriotism था या नहीं उनमें? मैंने बोला कि they are fighting for the nation. Patriotism तो है. Yes or no? They are fighting for the nation, but that shows it is what? Patriotism. But at the same time, their thought is there कि we are not in the such situation where we can. In our history of India is not in such a situation where we can rule. It will be better to provide a better platform by the Britishers in the history of, in the time of history. So that is I said that moderate चल रहे थे. They are not asking that we can. Bal Gangadhar Tilak has come. He said that I can. But he did not say that. They did not say that I can. मैं अभी नहीं कर सकता. उनके thought में था. और इसी बात को लेकर लॉर्ड कर्जन has said that Indians cannot rule. चलो इसका एक पॉजिटिव तो ये है कि वो इंडियंस की बात को ही इंडियंस को दे दिया. Yes or not? That what the moderates were thinking, the same thought has been given to what I said that to him. लेकिन यदि लोकल पीपल ऑफ इंडिया को देखा जाए, जनरल पीपल ऑफ इंडिया, वो डिस्करेज हो जाएंगे. तो फिर नेशनलिज्म है कहाँ फिर? यदि इफ आई डिस्करेज देन देयर इज नो नेशनलिज्म. ऐसा नॉट. नेशनलिज्म के लिए क्या होना चाहिए? एवरी नेशन के एवरी पीपल शुड गेट अप, तभी तो नेशनलिज्म होगा. And the word when he said that I said that Indians cannot rule, it means I said that what? They are discouraging and they are making our power to rule down. Therefore any peasant has said, I said that home rule movement, he said that he moved throughout the India. He said that I am Temtem Wali, I came here to wake up you Indian. I said that your ancient past and I said that highly glorified. So that day I said that this word it has been जो कि पहले कहा गया था कि no, yes or not? तो moderates and attitude of British government toward the Congress. ये दिखा दिया मैंने. What is the attitude of British? What is the attitude of British government toward the Congress? They are nothing in the form of I said that any, but उनका रोल यही था कि they are acting as a safety valve. इसके वजह से बहुत सारे रिवॉल्ट्स बच गए, नहीं तो इंडिया कब का रिवॉल्ट कर दिया होता. अनदर रिवॉल्ट दे हैव फेस्ड. लेकिन चीज़ें अब ये कितना सही है और कितना नहीं है वो तो हम लोग धीरे धीरे बातें करेंगे कि हाउ मच द थॉट ऑफ मॉडरेट्स आर करेक्ट एंड हाउ मच द थॉट ऑफ एक्सट्रीमिस्ट्स आर करेक्ट. अंडरस्टूड. सो व्हाट आर द रोल ऑफ मॉडरेट्स फ्रॉम 1885 to 1905? They are simply what I said that they started asking for the constitutional reform. They asked for economic reform, they asked for administrative and other reforms, and they asked for defense for their civil rights. They asked for, they have some political work, कैसे method करते थे. Yes or not? One is simple petitioner, and then moderates and patriotism. So we should say moderates and patriotism. यदि एक क्वेश्चन हो सकता है मैं इसका, listen me carefully, this can be a question. 1885 till 1905 is the phase of moderates. Evaluate the word inverted comma moderates and patriotism. क्लियर? तो फिर इसको आपको जाकर डेप्थ में बात करनी होगी. गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले ने क्या किया? कैसा ना? We have to discuss बदरुद्दीन तैयब जी ने क्या किया. फिरोज शाह मेहता when he was there, what he was talking about. Yes or no? दादा भाई नौरोजी ने what they have done. Yes or no? So when we will discuss like this, तब हम लोग उनके patriotism को, they are moderate in nature, but they are asking for, I said that Indian people and to solve their problem and their demands should be fulfilled so their livelihood can. तो इसी फेज में इन्होंने थोड़ा सा डोमिनियन की बात करने लग गए थे. डोमिनियन समझते हैं? What is the meaning of dominion? I said that we should have our self rule, but in the name of what? British Crown. Yes or not? We will have our self rule, like I said, that Canada, like Australia. There I said that which kind of country? Dominion. कि miss, I will do our self rule, but in the name of British Crown. It is clear. So they also demanding at times. लेकिन उनके उसका कोई फ़ायदा नहीं था, क्योंकि हमें पता था कि हम कहाँ पर हैं. क्योंकि यदि ग्रेट लीडर्स लाइक इकोनॉमिक रिफॉर्मर गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले, लाइक द बेस्ट सोशियोलॉजिस्ट, दे नो दैट व्हाट इज द सोसाइटी ऑफ इंडिया, हाउ मच दे कैन सस्टेन फॉर लॉन्ग टाइम. सो दीज आर द इश्यूज आर देयर एट दैट टाइम. सो आज हम लोगों ने क्या क्या किया, व्हाट वी हैव डन टुडे. आई सेड दैट फर्स्ट रोल ऑफ